complete real-time onboarding with minimum documents in a secure manner. Download YONO SBI Merchant application from Google Play Store. Now let's understand the self-onboarding process.
Click on Become a Merchant.
Enter your mobile number and click on Become a Merchant. Validate your mobile number through OTP. Now enter your name. Next, select your company type. Keep the documents ready as mentioned on screen. Now you can see all the details required to register. Take a picture of your or company's PAN card. Click on Use this. Click on Confirm details and proceed. Then select Address Proof. Select the relevant document and take picture. Confirm the details and proceed. Then take picture of Proof of Company. Select the relevant document and take picture. Follow the same process to add business address proof. Next, 2 pictures of your shop are required. First picture of outside view with signage and second of inside view. Enter your GST details. In absence of GST number, you can click on I don't have GST. Check your GST number, address, PIN code and click on Confirm details. Click on Next and take your selfie. Either take a picture of blank check
or enter your bank details.
Check and confirm your account details. Verify bank account. Further, enter your shop details. After reading, accept terms and conditions. Now the onboarding process is successfully completed and your MID is created. Please save this MID